More strange sounds from England this time. Loud mystery booms heard across East Kent and the UK coast. After we've heard them in China and the mountains of Austria, this is now in England. Basically, they're heard all over the world, and some people even witness flashing blue lights like a transformer explosion of some type. Now, this one here, the cause of loud, mysterious banging heard along the East Kent coast, has still not been confirmed, but people have been uploading their social media with this noise. Reports on Facebook site Dealwatch claim the explosion-type sound was heard across parts of Walmer, Deal, Sholden, and Sandwich. Now, I will include the audio of it so you can tell me what it looks like. Now, some said it was like a ship's distress flare, while others describe it as as a thunder or firework or a car tire bursting or even a sonic boom. Walmer resident Rachel Jones said, "I heard several different theories: tire blown or on Dover roads, fireworks, gas bottle explosion, defense testing. No one seems to know for definite though, and someone confirmed it was not the lifeboat. I also was told there had been other bangs earlier in the day, but I didn't hear them and was home all day. It was extremely loud, sounded like shotgun or something exploding to me," she said. One woman in Walmer Castle Road said she stopped her car because she thought the sound was her tire exploding under her. The sonic boom in the sound is a sound associated, as we know, with shock waves created when an object travels through the air faster than the speed of sound. Sonic booms generate enormous amounts of sound energy and air bursts, as we know, sounding similar to explosion. The Ministry of Defense spokesman said neither the RF nor USAF were doing any night flying in the period mentioned, so we don't believe the late night noise was aviation related. And the Kent police spokesman said nothing had been reported that appeared to be related. Now, let's listen to this so you can tell me what you think it is. So as you can see, I mean, the people that uploaded this were obviously far away, but at least they did a good job of trying to upload. It sounded like, and I'll leave a link below for you for this, but it sounded like a brassy clanging noise. And at some point in the middle of this 40-second video, you have the feeling that it's a double sound where the lower note is a lower vibration of a brassy type of thing. Now, someone did come out with a theory that this cause of this deafening noise was an accident that happened in the Keller gas oil refinery in Croydon, Essex. And the racket created was so loud that the noise drifted all the way into Kent from Essex and left many concerning scratching their heads. Now, a build-up pressure in the oil refinery caused the safety valve to lift, resulting in a noise that some residents nearby described as whooshing and apocalyptic-style rumbling, almost like a brass trumpet sound, followed by a large plume of smoke. Essex Fire and Rescue Service and Essex Police soon arrived on the scene and declared the incident safe, according to reports from Essex Live. And firefighters confirmed they attended the scene on Manor Way, Croydon, after 9:39, following reports of a pressure buildup. So, even though the Kent police spokesman said there had nothing been reported that appeared to be related to this, we have another report saying that it could have been this buildup of pressure in the oil refinery, and the racket was so loud that it drifted from Essex into Kent. from Croydon, Essex, from the Keller gas oil refinery to Kent. Do you think that's plausible? I mean, I have not been near an oil refinery to hear what they sound like, but this is what the Kent Live says. I have no idea, even though the Kent police spokesman said that they had nothing been reported to them that could be related to this noise. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.